Hey friends, if you encounter file system error 21449274436 in Windows, then please watch this video. So I'll guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update Windows because it usually keeps pushing the fixes. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select Windows Update in the right pane. The next one is a clean boot. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any of the services checked, click on Disable, click on Apply and then on OK and then restart your computer. The next one is System Restore. Search for Recovery in the Windows search bar and open Recovery. Go to Open System Restore. Click on Next, choose a good restore point, click on Next and then finally click on Finish. And the last solution is to reinstall the application. Let's say that the problematic application was ShareX. So search for it in the Windows search bar and click on uninstall and uninstall once again to remove it. Now, as far as possible, try to find it on the Microsoft Store. Search for it and open the Microsoft Store and then type ShareX in the search bar. And then click on ShareX and then click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.